Good morning, everybody. Dear students, today we are going to start a new lesson, that is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dear students, I think you are already known about the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What today our nation have the constitution. So today we are going to remember this person, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And also we are going to enjoy our citizens, Indian citizens' duties and rights. So that purpose also we are going to remember Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The development of SC/ST categories are those who are exploited in the society, so that all people they were remember this great personality, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dear students, in this lesson today we are going to describe about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's student's life, and also how Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he was a virtuous reader. Virtuous means very eager for knowledge. He was always very eager for knowledge. And also we know that he was purchasing so many books. When he went to New York, there also he purchased 2000 books. He sent the books through the 20, maybe 32 boxes from the New York City. Always he was purchased so many books, thousands together. And also he was, when he was in USA, there is a major influence on the Ambedkar, that is 14th Amendment of the Constitution of the USA. This is also the major influence on Dr. Ambedkar. And also how he was influenced by Mahatma Phule. Dr. Ambedkar was influenced by Mahatma Phule. And also he wrote so many newspapers for the sake of awareness of our Indians. And also he wrote so many newspapers. In that newspaper he wrote that exploitation of the SC/ST peoples. And also the Mahatma Gandhiji, he was called that exploited peoples or SC/ST peoples, Harijans. That depressed class peoples, that Mahatma Gandhiji, he termed that depressed class peoples, Harijans. And also Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was elected in the Bombay Legislative Assembly. He wrote in 1935, he gave effective contributions to the debates in the assembly, and also he gave as debates on the assembly variety of subjects. Legislative work became evident to the whole nation. So many aspects we are going to discuss in this lesson. So now I am going to read this lesson. Let us, we are going to look over the textbook. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, written by Sri R. Venkataraman. One trait which marked Baba Saheb during his student days and in fact throughout his life was that he was a virtuous reader. He had an insatiable thirst for books. He brought books by circulating his daily needs. In New York, he is said to have purchased about 2,000 old books. And it is recorded that at the time of the second round table conference in London, he brought so many books that they had to be sent, to India in 32 boxes. It is important to record here one major influence on Dr. Ambedkar. While in the USA, he was drawn to the 14th Amendment of a Constitution of the USA, which gave freedom to the Black Americans. He saw at once the parallel of the situation of the depressed classes in India. On returning home, Baba Saheb came to be greatly influenced by the life and the work of Mahatma Phule. The victory of the classes, society and women's uplift, the need as well as the feasibility of reform impressed itself on Baba Saheb's mind, and he decided to devote all his time and talents for the amelioration of his underprivileged brethren. Newspapers started by him, such as the Mukanai, Bahishkrit Bharat and Samata, were at once recognized as authentic voices of the depressed classes. Likewise, institutions set up by him, such as the Hitakarani Sabha and the Independent Labour Party of India, became vehicles of change. During the same period, Gandhiji was pioneering his epic reform of Indian society, which included the uplift of the depressed classes, whom Gandhiji had termed Harijans. Baba Saheb was elected to the Bombay Legislative Assembly in the elections under the Constitution of India Act 1935. Baba Saheb made effective contributions to the debates in the Assembly on a variety of subjects. His fame for legislative work became evident to the whole nation. Yes. Now, dear students, today we are going to discuss regarding the student life of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Here we know in the first paragraph, the writer, he wants to narrate the student's life of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. During his student's days, B.R. Ambedkar, his life was, he was a virtuous reader. When he was a student, he was a virtuous reader. Virtuous means very eager for knowledge. books, so that B.R. Ambedkar in the student life he was called as a virtuous reader. He had an instable thirst of the books. Instable means that which cannot be satisfied, unsatisfied, not satisfied. He was not satisfied reading that book. So that he was always get so many books for reading, good knowledge. He was eager to get good knowledge. Instable thirst of books. He was always ready to read so many books, getting good knowledge. He brought books by circulating his daily needs. So where we are going to read daily needs, like that, Ambedkar also get that books as a daily needs. When he was in New York, he had to purchase 2,000 old books. See, not new books. When he was in New York, then he had to purchase 2,000 old books. See how he was an virtuous reader, how he was very interested regarding in the purchasing books for the sake of getting good knowledge. Students, you are also become a virtuous reader. We are also cultivate this type of activity. So these 2,000 old books in New York, and it is recorded that he was the time of the second round table conference in London. Then he was participated in London, the second round conference, second round table conference. There also it was recorded. It is recorded. It was recorded in the second round table conference, which was held in London. He brought that so many books, where he was purchasing the 2,000 books in New York. He brought so many books that they had to be sent to India in 32 boxes. See, in 32 boxes, Ambedkar, he sent all that 2,000 books through 2,000 books through his 32 boxes to India. This is the brief explanation regarding how Ambedkar, when he was in his student life, he was a virtuous reader. He was very eager to get a good knowledge, gain knowledge, and also he was purchased 2,000 old books in New York, and also he sent that old books, 2,000 books through the 32 box to our India. So it shows he was very interested in reading books and also how he was getting that knowledge, eager to knowledge. Let us go to the second paragraph. It is important to record here one major influence on Dr. Ambedkar. Here there is a one influence, major influence on Ambedkar. What is that? While in the USA, while he was in the USA, United States of America, he was drawn to the 14th Amendment of Constitution. When he was in USA, there was a drawn to the 14th Amendment. 14th Amendment of Constitution of the USA, which gave freedom to the black people, black Americans. So this is the 14th Amendment. It was influenced on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar when he was in USA. What is the importance of this 14th Amendment in the USA? That is, the American Constitution gave the freedom to the black Americans. He saw at once the parallel of gave freedom to the black Americans. He saw at once the parallel of the gave the situation of the depressed classes in India. When USA gave freedom for that black Americans through the 14th amendment of his constitution, then Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, you think he thought about the depressed classes in our India. So when he was returned to our India, there was a great influence by Mahatma Phule. Great work was influenced by Mahatma Phule. The volunteering of the classes. Volunteering of the classes, society and women's uplift. Yes, at the same time, Mahatma Phule, he wanted to give a message to uplift the depressed people's classes, that volunteering of the classes, society and women's in our India. The need as well as to feasibility of reform impressed itself on Baba Sahib's mind, and he decided to devote all his time and talents for the amelioration of his underprivileged brethren. Yes. At the time of influence by the work of Mahatma Phule in this Indian society, then Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he decided that he was spend his most of his time for the sake of uplift of the depressed classes in our India. He spent his time and more talent for the sake of these people only. So he started so many newspapers. Which are the newspapers? That is Mukanayaka, Bahishrit Bharat, and Samata were at once recognized as authentic voice of the depressed class peoples. Through these newspapers, he gave an awareness to that depressed classes peoples. So, likewise, the institutions set up by him, such as the Hitakarnika Sabha, and also the Independent Labour Party of India, became vehicles of change during the same period. During that same period, these institutions also worked for the sake of the depressed classes. And Gandhiji was pioneering his epic reform of Indian society, which included the uplift of depressed classes whom Gandhiji had tagged Harijans. At the same time, Mahatma Gandhiji also, he was ready to serve these peoples, that depressed peoples in the India, and also he was called as a Harijans. So this is the brief points about the how that 14th amendment was influenced, and also how that work of Mahatma Phule's work was influenced that Ambedkar, and how he was ready to spend his most of his time and talent for the sake of the uplift of the depressed class peoples in our India. And also, he started so many newspapers. Through that newspaper, he gave an awareness to the depressed class peoples. And also, at the same time, so many institutions, Hitakarnika Sabha and also Independent Labour Party of Labours in India, they are also supported him. So, and also Mahatma Gandhiji also fought to bring uplift of that people those who are depressed in our India. India, and also he was called as Harijans. He was named the people's Harijans. This is in the second paragraph. Let we are going to move in the third paragraph. Baba Saheb was elected to the Bombay Legislative Assembly in the election under the Constitution of Indian Act 1935. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he was elected to the Bombay Legislative Assembly in the elections under the Constitution of Indian Act 1935. Yes, was elected that assembly 1935, that legislative assembly, Mumbai or Bombay. Baba Saheb made effective contributions to the debates. So he made so many debates in the assembly, and also he made a variety of subjects. In variety of subjects he made so many debates. He tried to legislative work became evident to the whole nation. So like this, Baba Saheb Ambedkar was elected in the assembly, Bombay Legislative Assembly, which was the elections under the Constitution of Indian Act 1935. And also he gave so many debates in the parliament regarding so many different subjects also. So like this, so Baba Saheb Ambedkar, he was ready to spend his all time for the sake of the depressed class peoples over in the India. So this is a brief story about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So, dear students, in this lesson, we are going to describe or explain about the student life of Ambedkar, and also how the major influence was made in Ambedkar. So, in the US, when he was in the USA, then he was affected by that 14th amendment of that 14th amendment of that influence by that 14th amendment in USA. So like this, he was influenced by the work of Mahatma Phule and also Mahatma Gandhi. He was also spent his most of his time to the uplift of the depressed class peoples in our India. Like that USA, how the 14th Amendment gave freedom to that black Americans. Then he was the Ambedkar also think about that depressed classes people in our India. He wrote so many, he started so many newspapers. Bahishkrit Bharat and also that Samata. Through these newspapers, he gave an awareness to that depressed class people. He wrote so many things. And also, at the same time, so many institutions are supported to that Gandhiji. And also Mahatma Gandhiji also ready to serve for the sake of depressed classes in our India. So he was called the depressed class peoples. He was named as a Harijans. And also Baba Saheb was elected to the Bombay Legislative Assembly in that elections under the Constitution of India 1935. And also he was a virtuous reader. He was very eager to know the knowledge. So like that, we are going to know the brief story regarding this Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dear students, you are also a student. You are also becoming a virtuous student. You are also having that the very interest regarding get more knowledge. So like Ambedkar. Anyhow, in this lesson, we are going to introduce so many new words here. Virtuous. Virtuous means very eager to knowledge. Very eager for knowledge. Unstable, that which cannot be satisfied. Amelioration, make something better. Conceive, think. Edifies, system. So here, so many new words are introducing here. So I think you are also use this sentence in your own words, in your own sentence. Construct a new sentences through this new words. So let us move. Here there are so many homework questions are here. Write about Ambedkar's students' life. As I told you that how that Ambedkar was a virtuous reader, how he spent his student life. Right. Second one is how Ambedkar was a virtuous reader. As I told you that he was very interested in purchasing of books when he was in the USA or New York. He purchased 2000 old books and he sent that books through the 32 boxes to our India. Who was influenced from Ambedkar? That as I told you that about the work of Pule, Mahatma Pule was influenced with the Ambedkar. Which are the famous newspaper started, not written, but started, is not written, but started by. Started by Ambedkar. You know that Hita, the Bharat, that Bahishkrit Bharat, Samata, and Mukhanai. So many newspapers were started by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So these are the simple questions we are going to giving. So you are going to write a good answer for these questions. Yes. So being a students, you are the youngsters. You have the quality that we are adapted, the virtuous reading, which was influenced by the Ambedkar. You are getting more knowledge, or very eager to get a good knowledge from the textbooks or books. You have to practice that. Read good books and get good knowledge. And also, here Ambedkar, he was having a interest regarding the depressed class peoples in our India. So, like Ambedkar, you are also cultivated so many characters like this. It is better to read so many books and it is better to get good knowledge. So this is the story about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We are going to read so many books for the sake of getting great knowledge. You know that Mahatma Gandhi also helped him to serve in our society, and also we know that Ambedkar, he got a good opportunity to give most noble and permanent shape to his social philosophy, and also he is undying for in the dignity of human beings. Baba Sahib was not in Congress, but it must be said to the credit of the and active leadership of the Indian National Congress, that he requested Dr. Ambedkar to serve on the drafting committee of the Constitution Assembly and made him its chairman. So, dear students, you know that Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, he get a good chance Draft Constitutional Draft Committee Chairman. So, drafting committee chairman, he was elected as a drafting committee chairman and he made him its chairman. So, like this, we are going to remember today this great personality, how he was serving the depressed class peoples in our India. Anyhow, you are getting more points regarding this Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So let us, we are going to stop here. We are going to continue in the next class. Thank you very much.